Blender for beginners. Today I'm going to show you guys how I animated this duct tape using a curve. So the first thing I did was Shift A and added a plane. Then the next thing you want to do is Shift A and go to curve and add a path. Once you do that, you want to go into front view, click tab to go into edit mode, grab this point and click E to extrude. Click E to extrude again and just keep extruding until you get this C shape like this. Once you do that, you want to click on your plane, open up your modifiers panel, and you want to add a curve modifier. Once you do that, you're going to click the eyedropper and select your curve. And now you'll see that it snapped it to the beginning point. And now when you move your curve, you'll see that your plane follows it. But it gets really stiff at that end point. The reason for that is you want to click on your plane, go into edit mode, right click, subdivide, and you want to give it more cuts. So I'm going to do 25. And now your plane is actually curving once it gets to that end point. So now to animate it, you want to click on your curve, click G and X to move it all the way to its end point. And then I'm going to go into edit mode, click A to select all, and then I'm going to click G and X and actually move this back to the point where I want it to end. And now that it's there, I'm going to go to about 50, and then I'm going to click this recording button, and I'm going to click G and then click to add a keyframe. And then I'm going to go to the beginning of my scene, and I'm going to grab that curve, and I'm going to click G and X and move it out of this scene. And now when you press spacebar, you get this cool curve animation. And now you can start to see how I was able to animate that piece of tape sealing that box. And this is ultimately how you get the animation. I hope this has helped you in your Blender journey. Thank you for watching.